Hey folks, today's video we're bringing you is on Vwar, an unboxing of the JC02. The product list includes an instruction manual, a charging cable, an orange ocean strap, and a titanium-colored watch. This watch features a 2.06-inch curved AMOLED screen. Curved screens conform better to the arm than flat screens, making it more aesthetically pleasing. The watch comprises 3 buttons, a circular encoder button, and a power button at the bottom. Double-clicking opens recent apps. The orange button is customizable, allowing for any function to be set. At the bottom of the watch is a SIM card slot. A SIM card can be inserted. And at the back of the watch is a strap buckle to secure it better, ensuring the watch won't come loose. It's also equipped with a 30 West camera and for real screws. Let's test the camera's clarity. It's sufficient for daily use. Supports photo and video capture. The clarity is quite good. And it comes with multiple watch faces built in. And it supports a watch face store to download directly onto the watch. Custom watch faces are also supported. The watch supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and flight mode. It can connect to Bluetooth to transfer data. The menu can be customized, and folders can be created. Long pressing icons can uninstall apps directly. Customizable layout. The watch offers multiple menu layouts to choose from. List, Classic, horizontal mode, vertical for grid mode, vertical 9 grid mode, year mode, and cellular. The watch also supports multi-touch operation, making the interface very fluid. Supports watch face lock and icon style changes. There are 3 styles to choose from. Now let's look at the main functions of the watch. Supports making calls, call history, adding contacts, and customizing button functions. Smart Hand. The screen can stay lit for up to 30 minutes. Brightness adjustment. Also supports eye protection mode. Sound can be freely adjusted. The watch has 2 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, allowing for software downloads. Built-in Google system. Browser. Voice recorder. Calendar. Contacts. Gallery. Video playback. Full screen playback. Folders. Music player. Audio quality is good. Speaker outlet here. Countdown Google Maps. Also supports power saving mode. Health functions include heart rate monitoring and blood oxygen monitoring, all with real health sensors. Alarm clock. World time. Flashlight. Calculator. Multiple sports modes. Video player. Calorie step counter. Camera. Supports Google Play Store. You can download various apps to your phone as well. If the watch and phone are both logged into WhatsApp, you can receive messages simultaneously. As you can see, the interface is very smooth. Text messages. You can reply to messages. It's also equipped with an app market for downloading lightweight apps. Next, let's test the gaming performance. The watch uses a 4-core CPU, providing smooth graphics. Supports multi-touch operation. Satisfactory for casual gaming. You can reply to WhatsApp messages, make voice and video calls. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to our Vwar channel to stay updated on our latest products and discounts.